I said good morning in a closed microphone. I'm back again. It's November 26th and another episode of my live coding stream. Live coding office development today and looking into extending Word with OfficeJS Javascript, so to say, and continue to look into extending the ribbon and get going from there. Let's start the show. Welcome back. It's the week of Thanksgiving in the US. It's not in Europe. We don't have something like that. On the other hand, there is Black Friday and Cyber Monday going on. So I ordered 2 of the Elgato lights. See how this will light up my stream. For now, let's move into the code window because I have to solve some issues here. First, let's see if I still have the issue of the retry error when starting Windows Word. I have no clue where that's coming from. You're on the cutting edge. This is something new that if you're on the insiders, then it's warning you that you get the first features, the new features first, and the diagnostic data is sent to Microsoft about your usage of Office Insider builds. Unless you have changed your privacy preferences. Let's have a look at that. By turning this off, some features will no longer be available. For example, PowerPoint Designer, Dictation, Editor, Ideas and more. Experience the download online content. Let Office download online content. Yeah, check. Enable connected experiences. Check. As this is my test environment, I have everything enabled. I don't care a bit. I'm wearing my Microsoft Graph shirt today. Not that I'm going to develop against Graph today, but it's another Office shirt. Office related, I should say, because it's part of Microsoft 365 these days. Go over to Word and see if I still see the error message. Web page error. Do you want to debug this web page? Web page contains errors that might prevent displaying work properly. And it's showing the do resize. I do remember that I tried some things with the resize of the task pane, but I'm not sure if this is related to that. If that's the case, there should be an add-in active, and trying to find that. On the other end, this could also be some sort of an just-in-time error. So trying to find out where this is coming from. Line 1. Google. WinWord. if this part is if this is part of my own add-in, then most likely it's not a common error. VBScript folder or selection do resize. Let's go into the document and see if I have some sort of an add-in. I do. I disabled the script lab item option add-ins. Trust Center, Trusted Publishers, none, locations. Allow documents to be trusted, disable trusted documents. There's nothing in here. Add-ins, nothing. Prompt me before enabling all controls. Macro setting, disable macros with notification. Protected view. Message bar, show message bar. File block settings, privacy options. I don't see anything here. Maybe there's a macro running. There's a test. Delete that. No other modules. Let's see if there's something in the startup folder maybe. Advanced. Startup options, default programs. Tell me if Microsoft Word isn't the default program. Open email attachment and other uneditable files in reading view. Show me the start screen, so when the application starts. Allow co-authoring, real-time collaboration options. Show names in on presence flag. Yeah, like that. Default programs. No. Advanced maybe. Web options. Try again. Registry editor. Let's see if I can find something in there. Developer. Runtime logging, ctemp log. C temp log 26th. That's this morning. Add in element namespace, Office taskbar overrides, connected service controls. Interesting. That's the version of the insiders running. Browse language server. No clue what it is. Oh, that's for the Studio test. That can be put in the bin. No clue what I'm opening for the stream. About Word. WinWord. Oh, there it was. Use the built-in script debugger. Yes. Check. See if we can find the origin of the error. Script documents. Do resize. There's do resize, but where does it come from? Some sort of a reference to an HTML. MSO ASB. What the heck is MSO ASB? Location. There's the location. App data. Copy value. There, now we're going to go somewhere. Content MSO. Okay. See? Where did it go? Come on. Notepad. Do it this way then. C. Users. Live coder. App data. Local. Microsoft. Windows. iNet cache. iNet cache, content, MSO. And this is the one it created. Open with another app, Notepad. Nothing. So it's creating some HTML item in here. Trying to do a resize. iNet, Google. iNet cache content.mso. Save to delete was looking space. Temporary internet files. Delete files content MSO. Can I simply delete? Blah blah. Resize. Website data settings. Something from Internet Explorer. Oh. WinWord, iNet, cache. HTML. Temporary Word file in not trusted. Of course, directory is not trusted. Temp files show. How to show files in hidden iNet cache folder. So, Internet Explorer. Settings, options. Settings. That's this one. View objects. Yes, nothing showing. Cache in databases. No. There's some things in here. Look at some details. This is something like script. Oh. Can I just delete all of this? Can. I just did. Cancel. Delete. Everything. I already did that, I think. Close this. Can I delete this one? Guess it's still open. Do resize is undefined. I know, but who asked for this? Close word. Don't save. Now it's gone. Win word. Was that it? Blank document. Okay. Looks like it was solved. But I've seen that before. Win word. Blank document. Ah, darn it. Debug. Debug. Thanks for the follow. How are you doing? Let me know if you have questions around this. I'm trying to fix my Word instance because it's showing this do resize error. And if you look at this, it's creating some sort of a temp file in here. And it's showing at this. Apparently it's created in the internet temp folder. Copy. Put it in Notepad again. Oh. See. Users. Local. Microsoft. Windows. iNet cache. Content. Content.mso. And there it is again. Who created this? I created this, but I don't know how. It is triggered by Word. For some reason, and there's no add-ins showing or whatever. Can clear the cache again. Settings. Cache. Clear. Clear everything. Clear data. Close the debugger. Stop debugging, yes. Don't save. Then closing Word. Oh, now it's also removed. What the hell? Content. Google. Content.mso temp WinWord. I almost think it's some sort of an preview error. Why is this Dutch? I don't want to do this in Dutch. Machine translate, I don't want it machine translated. How do I get it back to the original? Darn it. Oh. English. US. Saving offline document to networks and slow when using EFS. Encrypted file system. Temporary internet folder. When you save documents, the Office applications create a temporary file in a secure subfolder named content.mso and content.word in a temporary internet folder. If the subfolder is encrypted by blah blah, it's not encrypted, but it is created by Word for some reason. Oh. Next to each other. There it is again. It's already here. Open with Notepad. There's nothing in. There's nothing in here yet, but if I open it, it's providing an error. Well, it's not. File. Close. File. New. No, it's not. WinWord. There it is. Come on, guys. Don't debug, don't debug, don't debug, don't debug. Open with Notepad. Still nothing in there. Open with Internet Explorer. developer add-ins. Oh. Cancel. What? I have no clue what's going on here. There's nothing in there. DOM Explorer, nothing. Inline style. It's creating some script on the fly. And it's one time only. WinWord again. Taking all my time today to debug my Word environment. Yeah, there's one again. Event viewer. See if that's showing anything. Windows logs, application. Nothing. System maybe. Nothing. Audit failure. Software, Microsoft. Cache. Word. Developer. Developer. Clear installed extensions? No. Solution packages? What's this? Providers. Wikipedia. What if I delete all these? Probably messing up my complete add-in items. Messing in your registry is never a good thing, but for some reason I need to do something. What's this? Word ribbon cache. Customization expire. Google. Word ribbon cache. I don't have Visto extensions installed, as far as I know. I could just ignore the error, but my OCD is playing up here. File. What was I going to check? Options. Trust center. Quickly check if I have the latest version. Account. Updates. Update now. You're up to date, so that's not the issue. A lot of services installed in here. But that shouldn't be interfering with the issue. MSO, there's MSO again. It's only doing it at startup, I think. WinWord. There it is. File monitor. Did I run it? Oh, it's downloading it. Agree. I'm trying to find out why my Word is showing me an error. Clear. Oh wow. Clear. There's a lot going on. There it is. No, 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 no. Now let's stop writing here. Like this. See if I can. Is this sorted on time? There's time in here. Going from old to new, I think. Yeah. Scroll down. WinWord. content.mso. Let's try find content MSO. That takes a long time. There's something. And is triggered by word. So here you see that words kicking in. Click to run. That's about the first item. Here. Where was the content.mso? Here, create file. It's created by osf.dll. What's OSF? This is some advanced word debugging. Looking for the internals. osf.dll. osf.dll. What's osf.dll? Why is it showing things in Dutch? I don't want this in Dutch, I want this in English. Save it. Oh, okay. OSF Office. What is OSF? OSF.dll. Is it showing Dutch again? No. How to fix OSF DLL problems in download updates. And this is some phishing thing, I think. Download manager. Resize. That's not related. So what is this? Considered to be type of Microsoft Office most commonly used, development DLL. No, we're not going to download stuff. I'm well aware that this is not the most interesting live stream today, but I'm trying to fix my word system where it's creating an error apparently by osf.dll. If I look at this, it creates a file, a temp file, HTML, but it's giving me an error. And apparently it's not related to the add-ins. Find next. Air traffic control. What the hell? Air traffic control governance rules JSON. Personalization, where live ID is going out. Message data. Wow. Next. Every time it creates some temp files, apparently. Zone identifier. Filter the process to, let's cancel this. Filter the process to the process name. Process name contains WinWord. Okay. Oh, wait. Exclude WinWord, then exclude. Add. Okay. Now we have only the WinWord items. Find. What? Yeah, obviously it's not created by. This one, delete. Delete. Remove. Okay. Control up. Create file. This is created by. This is reading it. Olay automation. It has something to do with the OSF. You might wonder why I would even bother looking at this. Click to run. Oh, no. Here it is. So whenever it starts up, it creates something like this and providing an error. Darn it. I could say ignore it every time whenever it starts. Windward. Now it's gone, eh? You see that it's gone on the right side. There it is again. So what if I say don't show this message again? And that's not possible because you can't click the yes. Wow, this is interesting. Do you want to debug the page? If you're not testing the web page, click no. And I'm not testing the web page, but I don't want to see this error every day. So what are my repair options? Google repair Windows Word. Run the Office repair option. Close Word, control panel, click the uninstall program, no. So does this mean I need to reset my complete environment here? Control panel, uninstall. Word is not in here, I think it's Office. Yeah. Office. What's this then? Home Office Center. I've never seen that before. Google. Home Office Dev Center. What is this? Build solutions that harness blah blah blah. But this is just a website, I think. So why is this in my downloaded thing and what is it doing? Home. That's it. It's an application. What? This is just a website. Going to the website. So I have an app in here that says Home Office Dev Center. And all this is doing is going to the website. It's an interesting feature, but why showing this only for some reason at a website? Go back to my installations, then go to Office, change, yes, quick repair. Quick repair. Repair. Shouldn't take long. I wonder if this is solving the issue. What's your name? No Thor? Is that the right pronunciation? Thanks for the follow, by the way. Appreciate stepping by. If you have questions, just ask me in the chat room, and hopefully I can answer some of these questions. My expertise, especially in the Office area, but I'm doing a lot of .NET and currently Javascript development. Four times a week in the morning. That's European time, so that's late in the evening US time. This time it's 22:41 in Pacific and 1:41 AM in New York. While it's 7:41 AM in Europe right now over here. This should not take long, but it... Oh, there you have it. Okay. Close Windows. You can now close this window and use this in your programs. Let's see if this was fixed. WinWord. No, it's not fixed. This means I probably need to reinstall things, but I will do this off stream. First, see if my add-in is still working, and I guess I killed all of that. So CMD, go to the DOS prompt, go to data projects. We have 20 minutes left, so that's not much before I go back to my work. This is not work, this is hobby. This is my leisure time. See the test commands. Code. See if we can get this going. Get this up and running again. npm start. As I think I killed my security for this one. So what I'm expecting is that it's not running anymore, and I have to fix my okay. There's the do resize error, and if I do not show this, and it's not able to do this. This is not related to my add-in apparently, but to something else. Wait for the server to kick in. Now it's there. And it's still running. So that's nice. But now the next thing was if I change the ribbon item. You need to do that by changing the value of Office tab in the extensions point and make that a custom tab, if I'm correct. Why do I get a notification? Because my work item started. Office tab. Office tab element in manifest, that's the one. So instead of Office tab, that's over here, there should also be a custom tab like this. But the interesting thing in here is if I do that, make that a custom tab, and also change the closing tag, custom tab, and now I need to give it some specific ID. Where is it? Not tab home, but I will give it tab Maarten. Now if I run this, it looks... Yesterday I saw that it was breaking. Enable debugging for add-in. Let's do this. npm start. Immediately, oh, what's this? NMP. It's not NMP, it's npm start. I know it's Tuesday very early in the morning, but my typing is not that good today. See, now it's giving the add-in is no longer available. Add-ins inserted during development are only available during debugging. Let's quickly close this all. So why do you get this message where we do custom tab, custom tab, giving this add-in is no longer available. Let's force custom tab in there as well. Side load. So even the ribbon is... Oh wait. Is it just because there's something in the ribbon maybe that is not allowed? Taskbar URL. I don't think so. It's not related to anything. Button ID. Command group. Oh, maybe the command group is not allowed. It is. There's nothing special in there either. ID is commands group. Extension point, primary command service. Maybe that's not right. Copy. extension point. Yeah, from primary command service. This is custom tab. If you want to use the default tab that comes with the remove the above element, try this. Copy notepad and open another notepad for the existing one. Extension point, take that out. Let's put in a marker first. Take out the extension point. Cut. Put it in the empty notepad. This one is mine. The other one is from the example. Copy. Put that in. Now let's see. There's the custom tab ID is Contoso. This is comment. Resource ID, resource label 4. What's this going to set? Where is it? Label, resource ID, label. Was it in here as well? Commands group label. Yeah. So that's this one. Commands group label. Copy. Like this. The group ID. Group ID label. Touchscreen button. Maybe you're not allowed to do touchscreen buttons like that. Let's see, putting in commands group label. No, that should be this one, I think. And the other one is the there's no label there. Resource ID label 4. It's the same label. Why is it twice in there? Resource ID label 4. And it's not in the example. See, it's missing. Resource ID, this one is still in there, this one, this one. Why is this all the same? Just for ease, the resource ID tooltip, button ID. So we have resource ID label 4. And why is it in twice? Put in this one twice. And then there's another one. Resource ID, where is it? Here. Resource ID, this one. Need to put this one in. Let's make that exactly the same. So now we four of the same labels, but that doesn't mind. Information about the control. Put a button in there and then nothing. Remove the thingy there. Oh. Save. Try to restart it. Closing tag, what's wrong? Line 50. Custom tab. There must be some sort of... Oh, wait. I'm missing the part around it, the extension point. Copy. Here's the extension point, but the start here is not in. This one is missing. That should be in here. npm start. And it's giving the same error. So whenever I use the custom tab, it's failing. So if I don't put a label in here and no group, I just want a tab in here. Save. npm start. And it's failing. Close. Close. Because if you do change this back to Office tab, like Office tab, it's the tab home, for instance. Copy. Oh. Office tab. npm start. Now besides this one, it's working, but I did not put anything into the tab. If I put a group in there, leave out the label, leave out the icon type and button. I don't want a button. No control, just the group. Well, I do need to put something in, like a label of the group, maybe. That's a group name, I guess. Copy. Resource ID. Command group label. Command group label. Copy. Like this. Save. npm start. And it's failing project. So if I put all of this back, copy. Oh, I missed the extension point. Oh no, there's the extension point. Paste. The ID was to put in the group command label. That's in here. Yeah. Save. Close this one. Close Word. And npm start. Final test. Oh, come on. So I now completely messed it up. What's in here? It's a custom tab. Oh, okay. Office tab home. Office tab. Close. Don't save. Close node. npm start. Kick in Node, building the extension for Word. Now it's working again. So whenever I change this over to the well-documented custom tab, it's just refusing to load the add-in. This works. Yeah. Well, let's retry this at Thursday. I think Thursday is Thanksgiving for US. But as I'm streaming early in the morning, that's still Wednesday night. Oh, Thanksgiving. Thursday 28th, yes, that's Thursday 28th. So I will be streaming anyway in the morning. That's Wednesday 27 Pacific, late at night for Eastern time. So by then I will retry to change this out for the custom tab, because I want a customization in here. On the ribbon you can specify you could use your own tab. Custom tab example. Message read service, but this is for Outlook. If I just do this, I'm pretty sure it's not working. What's the label item in here? Can I? Well, I just don't have time enough to do this right now. So I will pick this up Thursday again, trying to customize the add-in with the extension for the command. I most likely will generate just a new one and see if I can change it on the fly with a fresh add-in. Because my guess is that something is not right with the current implementation as provided by the default boilerplate system. Back to the main screen. Thanks for watching today. This was a live stream, and see if we have some credits right now. If you are following me and there is no thaw, thanks for following and supporting the stream. And I'm not sure why it's not showing. Let's see if I can reload the page. Yeah, there it is. Thanks for the new follow. Thanks for stepping by. If you want to follow my stream and be there tomorrow, make sure you've clicked the follow button up top. Or you can watch it through YouTube at the same time if you go to YouTube. Or you can go to our STNcast page. As you can see, it's currently also running. If I start this, kill the audio, let's see if it's running. Should show us the stream. There it is. So you can also go to stncast.nl. For now, thanks for watching and hope to see you soon in another stream. As it looks now on next Thursday, but you can always check on my schedule on Twitch. See you next time, and there we go. Bye bye.